Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to Xcode Cursor Basics for faster editing and navigation. Learn how to place and move the caret with mouse and keyboard. Use Option Click to place multiple carets for editing several lines at once. Use Option Drag to make a column selection and edit text vertically in a block. Use Command plus F to find text in the current file. Use Shift plus Command plus F to search the whole project and jump between results quickly. Master advanced cursor navigation to edit code with precision and speed. Hold Shift while selecting to extend selections across lines and maintain block context. Use Option Click to add carets at non-adjacent positions for parallel edits across the file. Combine Option Drag with Shift to adjust column selections and include whole words easily. Use the Find panel opener, Command plus F, and then Shift plus Command plus F to locate occurrences across the project. Jump to results and edit matches in place for consistent changes. Improve productivity by tailoring cursor behavior and shortcuts to your workflow. Open Xcode preferences and customize key bindings to speed up common cursor actions. Remember that undo treats multi-caret changes as a single action for easy rollback when editing multiple lines. Use selection modifiers to expand to whole words or lines before typing replacements. After reviewing matches, use Shift plus Command plus F to replace across the project carefully. Practice these techniques to reduce repetitive typing and keep code consistent.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.